This video is about constant velocity, velocity time graph. Okay, and here's my object. It's red here. It's moving. This is the positive direction over here. There's a plus sign, and then the negative direction starts at about 0, moves in the positive direction, stops for a second, and then goes backward. All right, I'm just going to draw a quick position time graph. All right, and we covered that in that first video. Okay, and this isn't to scale, so we're not worrying about putting numbers on here. All right, normally each dot would represent a second, but what I want to do is just show you the general shape of the graph that would create. Okay, so this person's moving in the positive direction, okay, for quite some time. Okay, maybe a little bit more, and then they stop for a second, and then they go backwards in the negative direction. Okay, that's what my position time graph looks like. And remember, the slope equals x over t, or meters per second. Okay, and I can also write meters per second as ms to the negative 1. All right, notice here my velocity time graph is v / meters per second with t over here. Okay, so at the beginning this thing's going in the positive direction. All right, so what I want to do is show the faster it's going, the higher this would be. It's not going that fast, so I'm going to maybe keep it down here. All right, and it's moving in the positive direction for some time. All right, and then it stops for a second, so I'm just going to go down here. It stopped for about a second, and it emerges here, and now it's going in the negative direction. So I'm going to show that it's going negative, I go down below the axis, the x-axis, and finish it off there, because this is 0 and that is negative. Real quick, this is showing you the velocity in meters per second. If I multiply meters per second times second, I get meters. Okay, if I find the area underneath here, all right, I have to take meters per second and multiply it by meters. So my area is the distance that I've traveled. Okay, same thing here, but it's negative. And let me just show you that there. Meters per second times seconds. Seconds cancel out, and I end up with just meters. Okay, that's it.